Here we are now at step 3 of the process. This is possibly the most confusing out of all these steps. Let's just recap on what we did in step 2, because this is going to make more sense to you. Step 2, remember we copied our files, because see I'm looking on my main computer here into the data directory. We copied those 4 data files and we placed them into the Dropbox location. Once we did that, once they were here, I went back and deleted them from the main EasyAs directory. I did that for a reason, and as I mentioned earlier, Dropbox only updates what's in the Dropbox location on your computer. Now what we have to do is we have to tell EasyAs where these data files are now, because EasyAs is going to continually try to look for your data files in the normal location, because that's where EasyAs works from. EasyAs is incapable of working in a different directory. However, it can with Dropbox. I'm going to show you what happens if I go to run the program. If I go to run EasyAs, normally you'd be clicking program files and you'd be running down, you'd be running EasyAs, okay? On this computer I can't do that. This is our main computer. I've got to actually run it here. So just ignore this little step. I've got to click on the file itself. Actually I'm going to run this file. This is the exact same similar looking file that you're going to have anyway. So I'm going to run this file. It's going to run the exact same process that you're going to see. This is what's going to happen on your PC. It's going to come up. It's going to start loading EasyAs. It's a bit slow on this PC because it's doing too many things. And it's come up with an error message. The error message says, I cannot find the linked tables. You must locate EasyAs data 1. So it's saying, remember we've got 4 data files. EasyAs data 1, 2, 3 and 4. First of all it's going to say, where's the first file? Okay, so I click OK and a new box is going to come up. And it brings up this little folder, the normal Windows folder directory search thingy, and all you have to do now is locate that file. So we're looking for data 1. It's already got it here. It's telling us which file it's looking for. So I'm going to go to my documents. I'm going to click on Dropbox. I'm going to click on the EasyAs, and the only file that's going to be presented to you is that file, because that's how this process works with EasyAs, okay? So you know that that's the file. You have to double click on that file. Just double click on it. The moment I do that, just let it go for a second. The computer's going to run away and it should rebind itself. I hope. Just give me a minute. It's going to be a bit slow on this computer. Aha. I know that worked. You know how come I know that worked? Because now it's coming up and asking me, where's EasyAs data number 2? You would think that EasyAs would be capable of saying if your first file is in this directory, all the rest of them are going to be there. You would think it could do that, but it's, you know, it's not. It wasn't designed with this intention in mind, so it's pretty dumb. All you've got to do is do the same process for all 4 files. If I click OK, go to my documents. There's that file. So I'm just going to keep doing that, and for each of those 4 files. Once it's found them, it's going to be happy. File number 3 now. My documents. Dropbox, EasyAs, file number 3. Remember, I'm just double clicking on that file and I'm letting go of the mouse and don't do anything else. Just let it do its thing. Because you don't want to get in the way of it, because it could cause a problem. So I'm going, my documents, Dropbox, EasyAs, file number 4. Okay, now I'm pretty sure, if I remember rightly, once it's done this, it should open up EasyAs. And it does. It opens up EasyAs. That's it. So now, if I exit the program and I attempt to run the software again, remember this is different on this computer, you'd be clicking your normal icon. Now that you've rebinded on the main computer the first time, you don't have to do that again. Every time after that, it's going to look in this location for the files. Something happened down the bottom there, then it came up there and said it was deleting files. And I'm thinking, oh, why was it, what's it doing? And even I got a shock then thinking, what's going on? And then I realized, EasyAs, it creates these temporary files. And these temporary files are getting created in the Dropbox location as well. That's as you're running EasyAs, it creates these temporary files. When you exit EasyAs, these temporary files usually disappear. So what happened was Dropbox works so fast that it was creating these temporary files in the Dropbox location as well. So the moment we exited EasyAs, those files disappeared, so then Dropbox said, hang on, they're gone now. Oh, I better delete them from Dropbox. So if you see that occurring, you know why that's happening. So that's the rebinding video done. As you can see, that is simple, guys. Once you've rebound the software once, you don't have to do it again. Now, step 4. Okay, step 4 now is we're going to go to the laptop and we're going to install EasyAs on the laptop. If you've already installed it, if you've stepped ahead and you've already installed EasyAs, then still watch the video because I'm going to explain what you have to do.